Moving pages in a PDF file using Nitro PDF Pro is very easy. For example, in this PDF file, the cover page is currently located at the very end of the document, and I want to move it to the beginning. To do this, first display the Page Thumbnails panel by clicking the corresponding button. Once the thumbnails are visible, find the page you want to move, then click and hold it. Drag the page upward until it reaches the desired position at the beginning of the document. Pay attention to the blue guideline that appears while dragging. Make sure the blue line is positioned on the left side so that the cover page will be inserted as the first page of the PDF. If this thumbnail view looks confusing, you can adjust the page thumbnails display to make it easier to work with. Here's how to do it. After rearranging the pages, save the PDF file to keep your changes. Easy, right? I hope this tutorial is helpful for everyone. That's how to move pages in a PDF file using Nitro PDF Pro. See you in the next video.